Hi all. Now we are going to see the introduction to SQL. SQL means Structure Query Language. The outline of the SQL. So first we are going to discuss SQL query language. That what is the data definitions, basic query structures, and additional basic operations, set operations, null values, and aggregate functions and nested subqueries, and modification of the database. In this video, we have to discuss about the up to the additional basic operations. So what is the first step? We are going to see data definition language. So we called as here DDL. The specific information about the relations. DDLs is connected with the another data, the relations. So the schema for the each relation, each one's having the relations, each domains having the values is associated with the attributes. Then after we have to see the information such as maintain as each relations and security authentication and physical storage. Then we have to see the domain type in SQL, same as we are using the character means you have to use the strings, varchar means you have defined the variable length character of the strings, then integer using the numbers, integers, so it is independent. Then numeric p comma g, the pointer number is mainly used for which number to start and end. For example, numerical 3 comma 1, the number is started from the 3 digits. For example 44.5, you can store exactly not 444.5 or 0.32. The real double precisions and float of the decimals we can store in the SQL. Then mainly we have to go concentrate with the query language means create a table or else a construct a table. So create a table have a syntax is a create a table with the table name with the integrity constraints. For R, here it is using R means the name of the relations. Each A is the attribute of the name in a scheme of the relations. R. D is the data type, the values or domain attribute of A. For example, given by below, create table is an instructor is a table name. The table name is the entity. The entity have the multiple attributes. So we can define it using the domains. So ID attribute having a character, name is attribute, having the domain is varchar, department name varchar, and salary and so on. So integrated consists of created table. They have the maintain not null primary key and foreign key. Primary key is a unique key. If you are creating a uniquely identified data in the given data is called as a primary key. Then foreign key is connected with the two different tables with the using of the attribute is called as a foreign key. For example, instead of you have to create a table, you can use it for primary key and foreign key. So many examples are here given. Student tables, then course tables of the examples are the given with the domain attribute or with the domain. Then having operations update to table. They are having the insert, delete, and top table alter. Insert means you have to insert the particular data in the particular attribute. For example, instead of having ID and department names, whatever it is, so you want to insert the particular data related attribute related data values. Then delete means you have to delete the values from the particular table, drop the full data or drop alter the particular data. You have to define the construction constraints to define the alter the tables. Next is the type of query language is mean if you are creating a tables, you want to show the and display the what the table inside the values, simply give this select asterisk from the table name. If you have particularly you have the particular conditions you are giving for using the